What's up, you guys? And it is day number 4. I'm pretty excited about today because today, I don't know what the heck is going to happen. Alright, guys, I just got to Office Depot and I figure that's a good place to look for a calendar, so I'm gonna head inside there and see if they got those big calendars that go up underneath your keyboard. Alright, you guys, just got to Office Depot. Let's see if we can find that calendar. Oh shit, is that it? Like, how about that service right there? Let's see how much this thing is. $7 for the little one, $5 for the big one. Alright, this gentleman just stopped me and told me there was a couple more in the back. They were a little more expensive, but they look like nicer calendars, so I'm gonna go look at. There we go. We got the $7 version down here, right as soon as you walk in the door. And we have these right here. They're a little bit more. This one's $20. This one's $7. I really ain't seen a big difference at all. I think I'm gonna go with the $7 version. Check out this cool stuff I'm finding over here at Office Max. I don't mind if I do.
Welcome to Office Depot.
Hey, the camera was rolling. And he said, "What, you ain't gonna put me on camera?" I turned around and said, "Say hi, everybody." And I turned around, zoomed it in. And they were like, "What?" Like they took off at the parking lot. They looked up, they didn't think I was gonna film it. Yeah. It was funny though. But, yeah. We good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright, you guys. That's it for Office Depot. Now, if I can find that styrofoam piece. Inside Joann's, it's a fabric and craft shop. So hopefully they'll have that piece of foam I'm looking for so I can make like a microphone cover. I'm looking for like a piece of foam that I can put over the top of this if I just cut it. Like I'll just cut the foam, like a hole in it. Like if you got just a regular piece of foam.
We got craft foam.
Yeah, that might work. I had a card with the chip, it didn't work. It sucked, so now I really enjoy this one because it doesn't suck.
That's always good.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, man. You have a good day.
You too.
I'm gonna go get a little coffee or maybe a bubble tea. I'm not sure yet. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're liking my content, if you're liking these vlogs, please leave a comment, a like, and a subscribe down below.